Hello guys, this is your friend the Great Lobbyist, and I'm back again with this awesome video. Today in the powerful networking, I came across this amazing product. We are no strangers to Wi-Fi range extenders, and TP-Link has been one of the brands that we would normally choose from by default. But I came across this, this particular product, which is one of the latest range extenders from TP-Link. This particular product, along with every other feature, which is AX1500 dual band, which means it can give up to 1200 Mbps of speed on a 5 GHz connection and a 300 Mbps speed on a 2.4 GHz connection. But one of the things which was very unique about this, it is one of the first one I've come across, which is a Wi-Fi 6 compatible range extender. Open this box up to you. It is pretty easy to maintain and manage with a TP-Link Tether App. It's got Wi-Fi 6, which is super high speeds, and you can actually get a wireless piece of, if you have Wi-Fi 6 in the area you're in, and if your service provider is offering that, you can get with this particular product, which is TP-Link RE505X, the Wi-Fi 6 range extender. You can get up to 1.5 Gbps, which is gigabytes per second speed. And specific when you guys are working from home these days, and the kids are studying at home, the load on the network is heavy, and we are trying to spread ourselves out across the house so that everyone can get their private studying and working and entertaining space during the day. This is the product that you need. I'm going to quickly open this up and show you how it looks like. When it comes to setup, all you need to do is just plug it in and go to the app. It automatically does the job for you. All you need to do is just select, click next, and enter your Wi-Fi password, and you're sorted. But in the meantime, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer them. Let me quickly open this and show you. There we go. As you will see, it's a very minimalistic, basic TP-Link packaging. You've got the quick installation guide and the general usage code, which every networking products come up with. There it is. Here you go, guys. Lovely. Not that ugly looking as some of the range extenders do. Pretty neat looking. Just plug it onto the next close, socket in any of the walls, and just click on the Tether app, and you're all good to go. We've got the power indicator here, the signal indicator, and which band are you working with, the 2.4 or gigahertz or 5 gigahertz band. On the side, we have the RJ45 network adapter, just in case you want a physical network connectivity out. On the other side, we've got the power lock button, power on and off and lock button, and a reset switch out here. A beautiful product. First Wi-Fi range extender that come across, a decent looking piece. I think with who are currently working from home and trying to get the best out of what they have in the network in the house. And one of the couple of things is you can also use it as an access point, not just an extender. Just in case you want to. It's got a power saving mode, which means it automatically turns on and off the connection in case you set it up that way. Apart from that, a pretty decent looking range extender from TP-Link. I absolutely love it. I already have one, so I'm not going to use it at my place. Got another TP-Link one, but I'm pretty happy to have this on my video. Great product, great looking product, and it is available in all major retailers in UAE, including online. If you have any questions, please do reach out to me by putting in the comments below, and please don't forget to press the subscribe button, the bell icon, and if you like the video, the thumbs up. Give us a thumbs up, and it gives us the motivation to do more better videos in the future. Have a great day, be safe, and have a great time.